Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can tell, I am going to be trying out today the Thick Leave-In hair conditioner. It is a lemongrass hair conditioner, and I'm super excited to try out this product because I am currently now their ambassador, and I am so excited because this product, guys, it has so many uses. You can use it for wash and go, for braid outs, to detangle your hair. You can use it as a mask as well. There's so many things you can use this for, and it's not just for curly hair. You can use it even for wavy and straight hair, which I love. I love products that you can use for multiple things because obviously, like, who doesn't? But yeah, guys, I am going to be actually trying this out by itself, no other product on my hair, so you guys can see exactly how it makes my hair turn out. Alright guys, and this is the result. I honestly am obsessed with the result. Like, for a one product on my hair, this is amazing. Like, the curls are looking good, and my hair feels super soft and very moisturized. And to be honest, like, I'm very surprised with how it turned out. If you guys are interested in trying out this product, I will definitely be linking it in my comments down below for you guys to check it out. And if you use my code Mercedes Helez, you guys get a discount when you check out. And I hope you guys love this as much as I did. Bye bye.